How to get new Rosalia font on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and then click on your story at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on it, on the left side, you'll find Create option. Click on Create on the left side. After you've clicked on it, you'll find Tap to Type in the middle. Click on Tap to Type. Then at the top, you'll find Rosalia. If you don't find it, you can simply tap it until you find Rosalia in here. Now type in what you want to type in the font and press on Next. After you're done, you can add it to your story by clicking on your story at the bottom. And this is how to get new Rosalia font on Instagram. And if you don't find it in this way, what you can do is open Play Store and search for Instagram. Make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. And this is how to get a new Rosalia font on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.